Traveling the world is exciting, inspiring, and something many people dream about. But one thing that stops many people from booking that trip is the cost. Flights, hotels, food, and transportation can add up quickly. The good news is that smart travelers know a few simple tricks that can make a big difference. Today, we're looking at 5 easy travel tips that can help save you money, reduce stress, and make your next adventure smooth from start to finish. Tip number 1. Book flights at the right time. Airfare is often one of the biggest travel expenses, but timing can make a huge difference. Many travelers have noticed that flights booked during the middle of the week can sometimes be cheaper than flights booked on the weekends, when more people are searching and planning trips. It can also help to book several weeks or even months in advance, especially during busy seasons like summer or holidays. Another smart move is to compare nearby airports. Sometimes flying into a smaller airport just outside the major city can save a surprising amount of money. A little patience and flexibility can often lead to much better prices. Tip number 2. Pack light and avoid extra fees. Packing light doesn't just make traveling easier, it can save money too. Many airlines charge expensive bagging fees, especially for checked luggage. By using only a carry-on bag when possible, you can avoid these extra costs completely. Traveling light also means less time waiting at baggage claim, less chance of lost luggage, and easier movement through airports, train stations, or busy streets. Try packing versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched, and only bring what you truly need. Many experienced travelers say the lighter the bag, the better the trip. Tip number 3. Download offline maps before you go. Getting lost in a new city can be stressful, especially if you don't have internet access. That's why downloading offline maps before your trip is such a helpful trick. Apps like Google Maps allow you to save areas ahead of time, so you can still navigate streets, find restaurants, and locate attractions even without data service. This can help avoid expensive roaming charges or the frustration of hunting for Wi-Fi when you really need directions. It's one of the small things that can make a huge difference once you arrive. Tip number 4. Bring an empty water bottle. This simple tip can save money every single day of your trip. Buying bottled water at airports, tourist attractions, or busy city centers can be surprisingly expensive. Instead, bring a reusable water bottle and fill it after passing through airport security or at refill stations during your travels. Not only does this save money, but it also reduces plastic waste and keeps you hydrated while exploring. When you're walking all day, visiting landmarks, or hiking scenic spots, having water with you is always a smart move. Tip number 5. Be flexible with your plans. Sometimes the biggest money-saving secret is flexibility. If you can travel on different days, visit during shoulder season, or adjust your schedule slightly, you may find much cheaper flights and hotels. Popular destinations are often more affordable just before or after peak tourist season. You'll often enjoy smaller crowds, shorter lines, and a more relaxed atmosphere too. Being flexible opens the door to better deals and sometimes even better experiences. Some closing thoughts. Travel doesn't always have to be expensive. In many cases, it simply comes down to knowing a few smart strategies before you go. From booking flights carefully to packing lighter and staying flexible, these simple habits can help you save money and enjoy your trip more. Which travel tip did you think is the most useful? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button for more travel tips, dream destinations, and adventure inspiration.